Hi everyone. The Harley-Davidson 48 is a model that already stands out in the world of motorcycles with its low-slung stance and iconic bulldog profile. But when you introduce it to Thunderbike's custom craftsmanship, it transforms into something extraordinary. Enter the Starmind. This custom build takes the classic 48 and turns it into a head-turning bobber that feels like it was born to dominate the custom scene. From the moment you lay eyes on the Starmind, you know you're in the presence of something special. The Thunderbike team has given it an intensive makeover, meticulously upgrading every aspect of this machine to create a bobber that shines like a star on the firmament of custom motorcycles. Every detail has been carefully considered, perfectly coordinated, and seamlessly integrated to achieve a look that's both sleek and muscular. It's not just a bike, it's a masterpiece. Let's start with the foundation of this transformation, the fenders. Thunderbike has equipped the Starmind with a rear fender fin and a custom front fender made from GFK, fiberglass reinforced plastic, specifically designed for the 48. These custom fenders do more than just protect the bike from road debris. They frame and showcase one of the most striking elements of the Starmind's design, the thick, imposing 150mm rear and 130mm front white wall tires. These chunky tires give the bike a grounded, solid presence on the road, with the wide walls adding a vintage touch to the otherwise modern aesthetic. The fenders are shaped to expose just enough of these tires to make them the focal point, creating a bold visual impact that sets this custom apart from anything else on the road. But it's not just about looks. Thunderbike's upgrades also enhance the functionality and performance of the Starmind. The original large turn signals have been replaced with sleek, small LED lights that pack a punch in terms of brightness. These LED lights maintain the same intensity as the stock lights but in a far more compact and stylish form. Up front, the Thunderbike Stripe micro LED turn signals provide a minimalist yet highly effective solution for signaling, while at the rear, the Rizoma Club S3-in-1 lights do double duty as turn signals, brake lights, and running lights. These components not only improve the bike's visual flow but also ensure that it remains visible and safe in all lighting conditions. Moving on to the finer details, Thunderbike has continued its signature open-mind design theme throughout the build. The ignition cover, clutch cover, and toppers all feature this unique design, adding subtle yet sophisticated touches to the overall aesthetic. These custom parts not only enhance the bike's appearance but also showcase Thunderbike's attention to detail, ensuring that every element, no matter how small, contributes to the bike's cohesive design. Of course, no custom build would be complete without an upgrade to the exhaust system, and the Starmind doesn't disappoint. Thunderbike has outfitted this machine with a Vance and Hines exhaust system, known for its performance and unmistakable sound. The deep, throaty rumble of the Vance and Hines exhaust perfectly complements the aggressive stance of the Starmind, turning heads not just with its looks but with its sound as well. And to make sure the engine breathes as freely as possible, Thunderbike has also equipped the bike with their open-mind air filter, which ensures optimal airflow for enhanced performance. One of the most thoughtful details in this build is the side-mounted license plate bracket. This clever design choice not only keeps the license plate out of the way, preserving the clean lines of the rear fender, but also ensures that the view of the wide rear tire remains unobstructed. After all, those chunky white walls deserve to be shown off. And let's not forget about the finishing touches, the paint. The Starmind is dressed in a striking silver metallic finish, perfectly complementing the custom parts and creating a visual harmony that ties everything together. This isn't just a standard paint job, it's a reflection of the bike's personality, a mix of modern sophistication and timeless style. The silver metallic paint catches the light in a way that makes the bike shimmer, enhancing its star-like presence on the road. Every part of the Starmind has been carefully selected to contribute to its overall identity. From the handlebar, a Harley-Davidson Hollywood bar, to the grip set and toppers, every component has been meticulously chosen for both form and function. The timer cover and derby cover, also styled in the open-mind design, add another layer of customization that makes this bike truly unique. When you step back and take in the whole picture, you realize that the Harley-Davidson 48 Custom by Thunderbike, Starmind, is more than just a motorcycle. It's the culmination of craftsmanship, creativity, and passion for the art of custom building. Every line, every curve, every piece of hardware has been designed to work in perfect harmony, resulting in a bike that is as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it out on the open road, the Starmind commands attention and respect. In conclusion, the Starmind is the perfect blend of modern custom engineering and classic Harley-Davidson style. Thunderbike has taken an already iconic motorcycle and transformed it into something even more remarkable. With its aggressive stance, custom parts, and attention to detail, this bike stands as a testament to the power of vision and craftsmanship in the world of motorcycle customization. Thanks for watching.